Hello everyone, Peter here, Piotr Fissner. Guys, so this is a quick video just to let you know that the name of the YouTube channel you're watching, it's changing to ScreenProtector. I didn't have any fancy name. I've signed up a contract with one of the suppliers and they are offering this forward device, yes, for screen protection. So I've decided, I'll buy the domain name screen-protector.co.uk. And I'll build a website on it. Yes, so in the next few days there will be a link below. The link actually is in the description of this channel, and I'm finishing the website, to be true. It's already completed. Even there is a chat with me on via the messenger, so it's easier to communicate. What else? There is a booking system plugged in, our book repair online, yes, so that's what's integrated with that website. I'm showing testimonials from Google Business Listing as well over there, so people can see that I'm a genuine person. I'm showing simple pricing lists, like ranges from 2. Yes, so customers can roughly know what to expect when it comes to the repairs. Let me check. I'm showing this forward machine as well, what it can offer and so on. I'm talking a bit about us. What type of repairs it is as well. There's my contact detail as well, like phone number and address. Yes, and that this business is driven by Inte.Team because I'm changing my business name to Inte.Team. So I'm shutting down Fissner IT, that will be no more. I'm opening now new business called Inte.Team, which will be end repairs, NIT, electronic repairs, NIT repairs, and web development, and will be as well fighting for the right to repair. Yes, so that will be all. That's it. That's it. That's everything what's in the video. So guys, I know that the name is not the bestest. It's just to connect all the dots, into one. I didn't want to use, Inte.Team website for my personal repairs. So that's why I said, I don't want to as well use my Fissner.info website, because that doesn't say anything, apart from my surname. So I've decided some easy, catchy name, easy to remember, ScreenProtector. That's .co.uk, Screen-Protector, yes. So that's why I've named the YouTube channel the same way, so it will have all one flow around, one names, and I'm putting all the details together on the website and the link to this YouTube channel as well. So everything is, properly done now. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any ideas to solve it in a better way, I'm happy to hear from you. If no, hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.